Learn 200. Most common regular verbs in English. Full lesson for beginners. Hey everyone! Welcome to English Gateway. Today we have a super helpful lesson for you. We're going to learn 200 of the most common regular verbs in English, and trust me, these will help you speak and write English fluently. Grab a notebook and get ready to improve your English. Let's go. What are regular verbs? First, let's quickly review what regular verbs are. These are verbs that follow a simple rule. To make them past tense, you just add ed or p. For example, walk gives walked, play gives played, jump gives jumped. Now, let's go straight into 200 common regular verbs you need to know. Let's start with verbs we use every day. Daily activities. Walk gives walked. Talk gives talked. Play gives played. Work gives worked. Help gives helped. Wash gives washed. Cook gives cooked. Clean gives cleaned. Open gives opened. Close gives closed. Next, here are verbs we use in conversations. Speaking and writing. Ask gives asked. Answer gives answered. Call gives called. Explain gives explained. Shout gives shouted. Whisper gives whispered. Complain gives complained. Promise gives promised. Talk gives talked. Agree gives agreed. Now, let's talk about how we feel. Feelings and emotions. Love gives loved. Hate gives hated. Enjoy gives enjoyed. Need gives needed. Like gives liked. Miss gives missed. Want gives wanted. Hope gives hoped. Worry gives worried. Cry gives cried. These verbs help us talk about thinking and learning. Thinking and learning. Learn gives learned. Study gives studied. Remember gives remembered. Forget gives forgot. Decide gives decided. Guess gives guessed. Imagine gives imagined. Explain gives explained. Understand gives understood. Believe gives believed. Let's talk about movement and travel. Travel and movement. Arrive gives arrived. Travel gives traveled. Visit gives visited. Stop gives stopped. Move gives moved. Turn gives turned. Jump gives jumped. Climb gives climbed. Walk gives walked. Run gives ran. Note: irregular verb. Quick tip: not all verbs follow the rules. Run is irregular. Practice sentences. Now that you know 200 common regular verbs, let's use them in sentences. 1. Yesterday, I studied English for 2 hours. 2. She helped her mother in the kitchen. 3. They visited their grandmother last weekend. 4. I cleaned my room in the morning. 5. We talked on the phone last night. Try making your own sentences in the comments. Common mistakes and tips. Avoid these mistakes. Wrong: I buyed a new phone. Right: I bought a new phone. Wrong: she go to the park. Right: she went to the park. Oops! Some verbs don't follow the regular rules. These are called irregular verbs, and we'll learn them in another video. Fun interactive quiz. Quiz time. Now, let's test your memory. I'll say a verb, and you say the past tense before I reveal the answer. 1. Jump. 2. Talk. 3. Study. 4. Travel. 5. Hope. Here is the answers. Jumped. Talked. Studied. Traveled. Hoped. Amazing job. Keep practicing. Great job. You've learned 200 of the most common regular verbs in English. Now, let's do a quick recap before we end today's lesson. Remember, regular verbs follow a simple rule. Just add ed or d to make them past tense. Quick review of key rules. Most verbs gives add ed. Work gives worked. Play gives played. If the verb ends in e, gives add d. Love gives loved. Hope gives hoped. If the verb ends in consonant plus y gives change y to I and add ed. Study gives studied. Cry gives cried. Short verbs with vowel plus consonant gives double the last letter and add ed. Stop gives stopped. Plan gives planned. Quick review of common verbs. Daily actions. Walk, walked. Talk, cook, cook, cook. Clean, cleaned. Communication verbs. Ask, asked, call, called, explain, explained. Feelings and emotions. Love, loved, liked, enjoy, enjoyed, cry, cried. Thinking and learning. Study, studied, learn, learned, remember, remembered. Movement and travel. Visit, visited, travel, travelled, stop, stopped. Quick practice. Fill in the blanks. Let's test what you learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct past tense verb. 1. Yesterday, I underscore play soccer. 2. She underscore help me with my homework. 3. They underscore visit their grandparents. 4. We underscore watch a great movie last night. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Wow, you've learned so much today. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll speak English more confidently. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know 200 of the most common regular verbs in English. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Happy learning.